Pydantic AI versus CrewAI. So Pydantic AI is an open source Python framework developed by the original Pydantic team. It enables building AI agents with strong type safety, structured outputs, dependency injection, and multi-model support. It brings fast API-style ergonomics to Gen AI development. So the pros of Pydantic AI is it has built-in type-safe support validation for inputs and outputs. It also has agnostic support for multiple LLMs. It is also structured and dependable agent workflows with dependency injection and error handling. It also has optional monitoring, debugging through Pydantic Logfire integrations. It also offers a strong developer experience for Python developers manually and familiar with Pydantic. The cons of it though, it requires manually defining schemas and managing validation, project, and logics. It's also not optimized for orchestrating complex multi-agent systems. Now, CrewAI, on the other hand, is an open source Python framework tailored for orchestrating autonomous multi-agent systems. It supports role-based design, event-driven flows, collaboration among agents, tool integration, and enterprise features like observability and security for production deployments. Now, the pros of CrewAI is it's built for multi-agent collaboration. It also has event-driven workflows. It has a flexible model support and enterprise-grade tools available, and it has a greater community presence and adoption compared to Pydantic. However, there are some cons to consider. It's more complex for the setup and orchestration logic. It's also less emphasis on type safety. Some users report slower interactive performance, and they have fewer benchmarks and metrics available. So overall, choose Pydantic AI if you prioritize type safety, structured outputs, and Pythonic development. And then choose CrewAI if your main need is autonomous collaborative agent orchestration.